Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of ChatOn AI. We click on settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about ChatOn AI. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. And you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. Then you can go to Play Store. You will search about ChatOn AI. And then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us